introduction about the Amazon Go. Amazon Go is a high-tech grocery store which is located in Seattle, Washington, US. This store was opened on December 5, 2016, only to the employees of Amazon Go, and January 2018 to the public. The store has no cashier or checkout station. Enter the store, grab the stuff, and just go. No lines, no checkout, no seriously. But the problem in the common grocery store is that standing in a long lines, waiting for a billing or checkout, carrying baskets, and then there will be a lot of time for scanning items and too much crowded. In order to enter the store, what are the steps needed? Like first, we need to have the smartphone. The second one is that the free Amazon Go app that can be downloaded from the Play Store or Apple Store, and an Amazon account needs to be created, and then customers credit or debit card should be linked to the Amazon Go app, and of course working internet. Shopping process is simple. The first step is that download the free Amazon Go app, and the second one is that scan QR code from the app on entry, and third step is that to grab all the items you need from the store, and fourth step obviously you leave the store. Fifth step, the receipt is generated automatically charged from your linked account. In this application, Amazon used several technology as follows. One is that computer visions, sensor fusions, and deep learning. Computer vision is that computer vision uses image acquisition, image processing, motion analyzing. It also uses object detection and object recognition. It also understands the digital codes, camera friendly codes. And if you talk about the other technology like sensor fusion is a device which detect the change in its environment and send the information to the other electronics or computer. Fusion means combined. Sensor fusion is software that combines several sensor data which improves the system for performance or provide accurate results. And the third one is that deep learning technology. Deep learning is a part of machine learning in which plenty of data is used to train the machine. Therefore, next time when the similar data is encountered, machine would be able to recognize and take the decision by its own. How the Amazon company has implemented this particular process in the any grocery stores. The first one is that the ceiling or roof of the store has hundreds of cameras which are used for computer visions, and the second one is that wide sensor are installed inside the shelf on which items are placed, and third one is that these sensors detect whenever an item is picked up from the shelves or kept back on the shelves. And that would be advantage on this particular app. No waiting in lines, no cashier, no checkout, no swiping your card, no carrying basket. Saves a lot of time. Times matter. Customer can carry their luggage inside the store. Shoplifting is literally impossible, and that would be a disadvantage eventually. Customer should have the Amazon Go app. Customer should have Amazon account. Customers need internet to enter the store.
4 years ago, we started to wonder,
The future work is that if Amazon plans to open more such stores, it will provide convenience to the public and reduce the waste of time. If the tech is good enough, it will stop the retail threat, which makes the world better place. It may replace the common grocery stores. In term of jobs, while go to Google and search computer vision jobs, you would able to find out almost 3,000 plus jobs around in India itself. Maybe if you talk about the other geography, probably it would get increased. And if you go to the similarly deep planning jobs as well, if you try to search deep planning, probably you see that the results comes almost 7,000 plus jobs in the LinkedIn itself. So similarly, if you go to the sensor fusion jobs, if you try to search sensor fusion jobs in Google, you will find out almost close to 2,000 plus jobs in United States and 200 plus jobs in India itself. If you see salary about the computer vision's technology is that average salary of an employee who knows computer vision is 21.3 lakhs per annum. And if you go to the deep learning average salary of an employee who knows the deep learning is 22.9 lakhs. And then if you go to sensor technology, this average salary of employee who knows the sensor fusion is 24.5 lakhs. It's quite high as compared to the other two technology. Final conclusion is that the goal of the Amazon is not to kill the jobs of employee, but to provide the convenience to the customers or users that you cannot get from other grocery stores.